सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते. Hello friends, welcome once again to Preeti's Kitchen. Happy Navaratri to all of you. Today I am here with a prasadam recipe, so let's get started. So the ingredients are some 300 grams of jaggery. I have taken here powdered jaggery. You can even take the solid one. Some 250 grams of thick poha or beaten rice. 1 bowl of freshly grated coconut. 2 to 3 tablespoons of sesame seeds. 1 small cup of roasted gram or dalwa. Some cashew nuts and some cardamom powder or elaichi powder. So first of all, we have to dry roast this poha on a medium flame. Take a thick bottom kadhai or pan for roasting, and for 5 minutes we will roast it till it becomes little crispy. So we have to check if it is roasted properly just by breaking this poha in between the fingers. If it breaks easily, then you can understand that it's done. So after 5 minutes of roasting, yes, it has become crispy. Now we will transfer it into a plate. Now add this jaggery into a kadhai or a deep fry pan. Add little water, near about 1/4 to half cup of water, so that the jaggery melts in that. We don't have to make a syrup of jaggery, just until it melts and it froths, we have to heat it. Now our jaggery has started frothing. It has started bubbling nicely. Now we will switch off the flame. So now I have to make some cardamom powder. So for that I am taking some cardamom into the mixer grinder. I will add here 2 spoons of sugar. Just for grinding convenience I am doing this, and make a fine powder out of this. Into the melted jaggery we will add this cardamom and sugar mixture and mix it well. Take another pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, add our cashew nuts, fry it well. When it turns golden, we will add our dalwa or roasted gram. Let it roast nicely, and when it is done, we will transfer it into another plate. In the same pan, add the grated coconut. Keep the flame low and just dry roast it for some 5 minutes so that the raw smell of the coconut goes. Now we will add the sesame seeds into this roasted coconut. Mix it nicely. Fry it for some time. Actually, this roasting is done because our prasad stays good for 2 weeks. Yes, it doesn't get spoiled for 2 weeks and more. It tastes really very good even after cooling. Roast it until it is dry. Now switch off the flame. Now add our roasted coconut and sesame into the melted jaggery. Now the coconut has absorbed all the jaggery. Now I will place it aside so that we'll make some space for the poha to come over. So here into this liquid we will add the roasted pohe so that it gets mixed very nicely and the jaggery water will be absorbed very fast by the poha. Once it absorbs all the liquid, then we can mix all the ingredients together. Now add the roasted nuts, dalwa and cashews into it along with the ghee. Mix it nicely for 5 more minutes so that it becomes dry completely and our prasad is ready to serve. Now transfer it into a serving bowl. So our poha naivedya is ready. It is an absolute vrat recipe because we don't feel hungry after consuming it. It keeps our stomach full and also gives us lot of energy to perform our daily activities. So do try it, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.